You're looking at the floor plan of Residence 8B at the Hudson Hill Condominium, located at 462 West 58th Street, which you can reference as I take you on this guided tour. The Hudson Hill Condominium offers excellent amenities, including a shared roof deck, 24-hour doorman, fitness room, bike room, and live-in super. Located steps away from the Columbus Circle shops, Central Park, Hudson River Greenway, and easy access to the A, B, C, D, and 1 train lines. This bright, spacious apartment offers 2 bedrooms plus an office that can easily be converted into a 3rd bedroom, 2.5 baths, and a private balcony. Here you can see the open layout, featuring a large living area, dedicated dining room, and open kitchen with breakfast bar seating, ideal for the avid host. Directly off the dining room, large glass sliding doors lead to your private balcony, which offer over 180-degree views of the city, including a glimpse of Hudson River, down south to Hudson Yards, and directly east. From here you can access the office space or the 3rd bedroom, which offers window-paned French doors for privacy and can easily fit a twin or full bed. The bright window faces directly west and offers beautiful sunset views and lots of natural light. There is built-in storage for a closet. As we head back towards the chef's kitchen, I'm showing off the under-counter storage that goes throughout the entire peninsula. This kitchen has all the bells and whistles, including a solid stone countertop, undermount sink, paneled dishwasher, frosted glass storage and clothes storage, undermount lighting, top-of-the-line Viking range and oven, and a Sub-Zero refrigerator-freezer combo. It also boasts a wine fridge and a convection microwave oven. As we make our way back down the entrance hallway, you'll see the double-door coat closet, which features California Closet's organizers. Across the way is the powder room, which also features your in-unit washer and dryer by LG. As we turn the corner to the sleeping quarters, you'll find an additional hallway closet, which also features the California Closet organizers. Across the way is a 2nd bedroom, which also has an ensuite with a deep soaker tub and shower combo. There's also a built-in storage and desk area. The large bedroom could easily fit a twin, full, or queen-size bed and faces south for your views of Hudson Yards. It has a large double-door closet and its own air conditioner unit. And finally, we enter the master suite. Past the bathroom and the two walk-in closets, you'll find the large master suite, which can feature a queen or king-size bed, has additional open and closed built-in storage with specialty lighting, and the window faces south for beautiful natural sunlight throughout the entire day. There are two spacious closets in the master ensuite, fully equipped with the California Closets organizers. The beautifully tiled master bathroom has double vanity with medicine cabinets, under-sink storage, a deep soaker tub, and a separate steam shower. Here we make our way back through the entrance foyer and out the front door. If you have any questions or would like more information about Residence 8B, feel free to contact me via email, text message, or a phone call.